Hello everyone, so this is the story of the day why to the trade on this area. Overall, I guess a fail. The whole area. So uh, I think it's gonna be real quick on this PA. I did this PA because I waited for too long for holding this trade. Ended up the trade uh, really go all the way down to here. Did all the story already with LTC. So this is gonna be on the January 15. On the January 15, I took the trade because I was reading this whole line from here to this area of the price, and then look at the buyer. The volume is so good area, and then one mistake I'm making really mistake from there is yes, I have my analysis came in. So from here, here's the buyer came in and they hold it to this area and then went down. And went down, they have the P and also the S over here. So I know I instantly know this is not the area of the or whatever the areas of the 1 hours, not the owner of it. So I went to on the 4 hours of this buyer. So did it again, put P and went up here. I think the mistake that I was doing is I assume of the S would form something like this. So I kind of the message try erase this. Yeah, that's what I assume of that, but instead it played out really very badly, holding this trade. Luckily this is on the demo that I able to catch my own mistake in what it did. So that I would have done a better area of this. I would have done a better area to get somewhere from here to bring it back up, but unfortunately the market doesn't really show what it is right now. Um, yeah, yeah. I should stick with the 4 hours, see what I can analysis, and would it get something better price from this area. But this gets started from here, so that would be ideal to take it back right here at this price and stop loss from here to this better reward ratio. So this was on the demo. I think the mistake that I've done it was holding the whole trade from this area from here. Yeah, I would been taken out, and also another mistake not knowing the timing that how long I'm going to trade this because my goal is to become become a day trader. So this is I'm gonna put out there for myself too because I have to just to know what I'm doing wrong and also same time. And yeah, so one thing I did right, it was like going down to another time frame from here, but on the next thing right now, what I see currently is if I want to trade a good area from this area, um, I already go down here. I'll wait until let me see. This is 4 hour, 4 PNS. Get down P and S. So currently right now where we at is in the S area. Because it really didn't broke as much as possible. So the S area I want to see something like they could play out and then break something here and then go back up from here. And then this whole area I'm going to learn how to time this up and also feel it the market. And I notice this is going to be in the 4 hour owner, and we want to trade 1 hour. It's going to take a little bit more time of the day, or see how the market's open on the US area to take it back up from here. So far I'm glad I put myself there that putting on the test so I can know what I'm doing wrong, what is not the best area to get in there. The best area to get in here is right here, and this is gotta be the perfect time for me to read the volume and to read more volume to come here so I could take it back up. Unfortunately, this area no volume is very low, and fortunately this starts slowly picking back up here. Hopefully there's some area over here of the volume that will pick it back up that I would love to see of the buyer, and hopefully the seller is more lower volume. So the seller had the big volume over here that I'm not aware. So yeah, so basically I supposed to be aware. That was alert for me, but I took I was naive not to listen to it, and yeah, that where my lesson is. That is my PA of the day of LTC or USD. Bitcoin is going up, but wasn't really short. I also still want a better price to go down so I could take it back up. It's the same thing as yeah, the price is too high and it's on that area of this seller, so I wanted to get a better price from here to take it back up so I could able to play out. Yep, so that's basically my PA of the day. Unfortunately, you can hear my voice is like it's dying, and I am dying, well, which is good, but at the same time I also kept pushing through because I wanted to know, is this the bad area to take a trade? And it was a bad area for me to take a trade from here. So yeah, for now, for the next one, I could be able to take someone here in this area to take it back up. So this is my PA of the day of LTC USD on the January 15. Let me cut this off so I could. On January 15, but fortunately, it played out not good. Too slow. Let's put 3. Okay, then playing out really good. So yep, I should. And then yep, not good, not good. Gotta do better. Okay, and yeah, that's basically it. You have any feedbacks, leave feedback for me, and I appreciate and take a look and also improve my trade. And love you all, and cheers.